wrong way. Okay, fill nut undone. Trouble is, that drain plug isn't the same size. It's completely different. So I'm going to have to go grab my smaller one. Go have a look at that. Okay, there's the fill nut on the gearbox. Okay, that's that loosened. And okay, hang on, I've got to swap hands. This is weird. Come on, focus, focus. Focus! There we go, that's better. And here's the drain nut. Drain nut into the gearbox. Jeez, it's hard doing. Just holding the frigging camera with one hand. Right, as you can see, I've made sure I've got the drain nut, the fill nut off first. Okay, and let's see what. Oh, jeez, freaking dirt's falling in my eyes. Let's see what we end up with. Oh, jeez, that's disgusting. Jeez, is that friggin' engine oil in there? Jeez, I hope not. Well, once this is finished draining, then we will now have the inauspicious task of filling the damn thing back up again. Pardon the language. Here's my fill nut, and we'll have to get this gearbox redone, refilled. Running well, actually, despite that disgusting oil that's in it. I've got some gear oil we're going to throw in this, and the diff. I just tried doing the diff, and I can get the fill nut off, but the drain nut appears to be an imperial size, so I'm going to need another tool to get that thing off, so I'm going to have to do that one later. I'll put the same gear oil I'm going to put in the gearbox, in the diff, and then after I've done that, I can do the engine. Then I'll go, in the meantime I'll go through all the grease points. And on the bright side, there didn't seem to be too much, any sludge or shit in it. Pardon the French. But anyway, I'll get back to this shortly. Okay, I think I'm going to need a new rubber here, because it seems to be cracking and it seems to be deforming a little bit, and it's popping out on the other side. Sorry, I'm not holding this steady. Well, the rubber's actually still in good nick, but I might see if I can get another one. At least I know how I've got to start with it. Get it new, and I've got to obviously go through all the grease points, give it all a clean. This is yeah, it needs a bit of a clean. The exhaust has got a couple of holes in it. Got a couple of holes in it. So I think that's going to have to be replaced. And right where the joint is too. So there's just a couple of little odds and sods need to be doing on it. But apart from that, she's all good. I'm actually surprised with how clean the underside is. But anyway, let's get back to it. Okay. Let's see how we go once we get this in focus. Jeez, you'd think I'd get this bloody thing right. Okay. 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 That's the drain nut in. Now just give that another wipe down after I've given it I give the area a wash with some degreaser. So, sorry if this isn't focusing right, but I'll get to clean it a lot better later, but right now it's just a case of doing that. And now I've got my little Tom Thumb. Yep. Okay. The good thing is this thing's spring loaded, so it always pumps. And this is going to take a while, so as you can see, I'm filling it. But as you can see, it's a very narrow gauge, so this is going to take a while. So instead of listening to me huffing and puffing and carrying on, I'll get back to you when I'm, well, pretty much done. Alright, we'll see how many litres this thing takes. Okay, we're done. Now filled it up. That took 2 3/4 litres. So it was almost 3 litres, obviously. 3/4 is almost another litre. So now it's just a matter of, I need to, come on, focus, 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 focus. There we go. Good camera. Come on, focus. Okay. I am now this autofocus needs to work a bit better, I think. Oh well, 2 3/4 litres into the gearbox. Yeah, not too bad, I guess. And let's face it, it's not a big one. And just recheck the... Come on, focus, focus. Come on, don't be like a politician, focus. That's done, that's tight. Jeez, I pulled myself right towards it. Okay. Drain plug's cleaned. Area around the plug was cleaned, and obviously put back, and then the fill plug did the same. And I've put gear oil in it this time. What came out of it actually looked like flipping engine oil, actually. And it was, as you saw, it was black. God only knows how long that's been in there. That oil was disgusting. Right. So that. Jeez, I keep getting my hair caught in the damn wheels of this creeper. As you can see, that's how much left I've got out of 3 litres. Okay, that bottle is 1 litre, and I've put 2 and that much in it before it started pouring out the fill hole. So that's the gearbox done, and I'll just have to do the diff later once I get the drain plug out of that. Get the right size tool to get that out, and that'll do it for today. And later on I'm going to have to go through all the grease points of the suspension and the whole drivetrain. I'll get that done in the next couple of days. There's the bottom of the engine, which is really clean actually. So I've got to change that engine oil, and I'm going to, come on, focus, there we go, that's a good camera. And I've got to get another oil filter cartridge for that. So I'm just going to figure out what cartridge I need for that and get it, and then I can change the engine oil. Alright, back later I guess. Have fun.